Looking at the MS Westerdam, this Holland America Line ship has been quietly earning a reputation as one of the most well-rounded cruise experiences in the mid-size ship category. After spending considerable time researching guest experiences and analyzing what this vessel offers, it's clear why seasoned cruisers keep coming back to this particular ship. The Westerdam launched in 2004 as part of Holland America's Vista-class fleet, but don't let that age fool you. This ship has undergone significant renovations that keep it feeling fresh and modern. What strikes you immediately is how this vessel manages to feel both elegant and approachable, something that's harder to achieve than you might think. Fortune teller hook, the cruise industry just introduced something most passengers don't know about yet: ships that perfectly balance size with intimacy. The MS Westerdam represents exactly what the future of cruising looks like for travelers who want luxury without the overwhelming crowds. This ship is going to change how you think about what a perfect cruise vacation should feel like. When it comes to accommodations, the Westerdam offers a smart range of options that cater to different budgets without making anyone feel like a second-class passenger. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious at around 185 square feet, which is generous compared to many newer ships that seem to be shrinking cabin sizes to pack in more passengers. The ocean view cabins bump you up to about 197 square feet and feature large portholes that actually let in meaningful natural light. It's a small detail, but when you're spending a week at sea, having real sunlight streaming into your room makes a bigger difference than you'd expect. For those wanting that outdoor space, the veranda staterooms are where this ship really shines. At roughly 185 square feet plus a 47 square foot private balcony, these rooms strike the perfect balance. The balconies are deep enough to actually use, not just step out and take a quick photo like on some ships. The suites take things up several notches, with the Neptune Suites offering around 465 square feet plus a 131 square foot veranda. These come with perks like priority boarding, exclusive access to the Neptune Lounge, and complimentary laundry service. The Pinnacle Suite, sitting at the top of the accommodation food chain, provides over 1,300 square feet of living space with a wraparound balcony that offers stunning panoramic ocean views. All staterooms feature Holland America's signature Mariner's Dream bed with plush Eurotop mattresses, premium linens, and a selection of pillows. The bathrooms include hair dryers, magnifying mirrors, and higher-end bath products than you'll find on most cruise lines. The dining scene on Westerdam deserves serious attention because Holland America has always prioritized food quality over flashy gimmicks. The main dining room operates on both traditional fixed seating and flexible dining options, serving cuisine that focuses on fresh ingredients and classic preparations rather than trying to be overly trendy. Pinnacle Grill stands out as the ship's signature steakhouse, featuring premium cuts of beef, fresh seafood, and an impressive wine selection. The intimate setting with only 66 seats means you're getting a truly upscale dining experience, not a factory-line steakhouse operation like some cruise lines offer. Canaletto provides authentic northern Italian cuisine in a setting that feels like a genuine Italian restaurant rather than a cruise ship interpretation. The handmade pasta and wood-fired pizzas consistently earn rave reviews from guests who know their Italian food. The Lido Market serves as the ship's main buffet but operates more like a food hall with different stations offering distinct cuisines. The Asian section features surprisingly authentic dishes, while the grill station serves made-to-order items throughout the day. What sets Westerdam apart in the dining department is the attention to dietary restrictions and special requests. The culinary team handles vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher meals with genuine care rather than treating them as afterthoughts. The dive-in poolside grill serves classic American favorites like burgers and hot dogs, while the retreat offers a more sophisticated poolside dining experience for suite guests. Room service operates 24 hours with an extensive menu that goes well beyond the basic sandwich and soup options many ships provide. Pool areas on mid-sized ships can feel cramped, but Westerdam's designers got this right. The main Lido pool provides plenty of space for swimming and lounging without feeling like a crowded public pool. The surrounding deck area offers various seating options from lounge chairs to shaded tables. The adults-only retreat area gives grown-ups a peaceful escape with its own pool, hot tub, and premium seating. This space includes food and beverage service, making it easy to spend an entire sea day without leaving the area. 2 whirlpools provide relaxation spots, and their placement means you can usually find one that's not overcrowded. The pool deck design includes multiple levels, so even when the ship is full, it doesn't feel claustrophobic. The lack of water slides or splash zones might disappoint families with very young children, but this design choice maintains the ship's sophisticated atmosphere. Instead of flashy water features, Westerdam focuses on comfortable spaces where adults can actually relax. Activities on board strike a balance between keeping guests entertained and not overwhelming them with constant noise and crowds. The fitness center features modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than your typical gym experience. The Explorations Cafe combines a coffee shop with internet access and a library, creating a quiet space that's perfect for sea days when you want to read or catch up on email. This area often gets overlooked but provides exactly what many cruisers need. Daily programming includes cooking demonstrations, wine tastings, and educational lectures that actually provide value rather than just filling time. The guest lecturers tend to be knowledgeable experts rather than cruise line employees reading from scripts. Evening entertainment focuses on quality over quantity with production shows in the main theater that feature talented performers and good sound systems. The music venues offer live performances that cater to different tastes without being overly loud or intrusive. The casino provides gaming options for those interested, while the shopping areas offer a curated selection rather than the overwhelming retail mazes found on larger ships. The art auctions and jewelry sales happen regularly but don't dominate the daily schedule. Spa and wellness facilities aboard Westerdam reflect Holland America's understanding that relaxation is a key part of the cruise experience. The Greenhouse Spa offers a full menu of treatments in a serene environment that feels separated from the rest of the ship's activities. Treatment rooms are well appointed with skilled therapists who focus on technique rather than trying to upsell additional services constantly. The couple's massage room provides a romantic option that many ships either don't offer or execute poorly. The thermal suite includes a steam room, sauna, and relaxation area that guests can use for a daily fee or as part of certain spa packages. While not as elaborate as some newer ships, these facilities provide genuine relaxation benefits. Fitness classes include yoga, pilates, and aerobic sessions led by qualified instructors. The schedule offers options for different fitness levels and interests without being so packed that you can't get individual attention. The outdoor walking and jogging track circles the ship and provides a peaceful way to exercise while enjoying ocean views. At just under a quarter mile per lap, it's long enough for meaningful workouts but not so long that casual walkers feel overwhelmed. For families traveling with children, Westerdam provides solid programming without turning the ship into a floating daycare center. Club HAL offers supervised activities for kids ages 3 to 12 with age-appropriate games, crafts, and entertainment. The teen area provides a space for older kids to hang out with peers, featuring video games, movies, and social activities. While not as elaborate as the teen facilities on newer megaships, it serves its purpose without taking over large portions of the ship. Family staterooms and connecting cabins make it easier for multi-generational groups to cruise together while maintaining some privacy. The ship's size means children can explore safely without parents feeling like they might lose track of them in endless corridors. Evening activities include family-friendly shows and movies, while the arcade provides entertainment during sea days. The approach here emphasizes family time together rather than separating age groups for every activity. Shore excursions and ports of call represent one of Westerdam's strongest selling points because Holland America has decades of experience crafting meaningful destination experiences. Rather than just checking boxes at popular tourist spots, the excursions often include cultural immersion and local expert guides. The ship's itineraries frequently feature longer port stays that allow for more in-depth exploration rather than the rushed Instagram and go approach of some cruise lines. When docked in places like Santorini or Barcelona, having 10 to 12 hours in port makes a real difference in your experience. Holland America's partnerships with local tour operators tend to focus on authenticity rather than tourist traps. Culinary excursions might include visits to local markets and family-run restaurants rather than staged cooking demonstrations. For independent explorers, the ship's port information sessions provide practical advice about transportation, currency, and local customs. The shore excursion staff genuinely helps guests plan their time rather than just pushing the most expensive tour options. Adventure excursions cater to active travelers with options like hiking, snorkeling, and cultural walking tours that go beyond surface-level sightseeing. The variety ensures that different interests and mobility levels can find suitable options. Taking an honest look at the overall experience, Westerdam succeeds by focusing on execution rather than trying to be everything to everyone. The ship size allows for personal service that's harder to achieve on vessels carrying 4,000 or 5,000 passengers. Service standards remain consistently high throughout the cruise, from housekeeping staff who remember your preferences to dining room servers who provide genuine hospitality rather than rushed efficiency. This attention to detail shows up in small ways that enhance the overall experience. The ship's pace feels relaxed rather than frantic, allowing guests to actually unwind rather than feeling like they need a vacation from their vacation. Sea days provide genuine relaxation opportunities instead of constant pressure to participate in activities. Areas for improvement include some technology updates in staterooms and public areas that feel dated compared to newer ships. The Wi-Fi system works but can be slow during peak usage times. Some younger cruisers might find the evening entertainment and overall atmosphere too sedate, as this ship definitely skews toward a more mature clientele. If you're looking for high-energy nightlife and constant excitement, other ships might suit you better. What makes Westerdam stand out from its competitors is the ship's commitment to the traditional cruise experience done exceptionally well rather than chasing every new trend. While other lines add gimmicky features that break down or create crowds, Holland America focuses on timeless elements like comfortable accommodations, excellent food, and genuine service. The ship's art collection deserves special mention, featuring museum-quality pieces throughout public areas that create an atmosphere of sophistication without pretension. These aren't generic cruise ship decorations but carefully curated works that enhance the onboard experience. Holland America's partnership with the opera magazine brings exclusive programming and enrichment activities that appeal to guests seeking intellectual stimulation alongside relaxation. These programs often feature authors, experts, and cultural experiences not found on other cruise lines. The ship's itinerary planning reflects decades of experience in destination cruising, with routes that maximize time in the most interesting ports while minimizing long sea days that can feel tedious on some cruise schedules. For business travelers or special events, Westerdam offers meeting facilities that can accommodate small corporate groups or family celebrations. The conference rooms feature modern audiovisual equipment and can be configured for different types of gatherings. Private dining options allow for special celebrations with customized menus and dedicated service staff. These facilities work well for anniversary celebrations, birthday parties, or business dinners that require privacy and personalized attention. The ship's wedding chapel and ceremony services provide options for couples wanting to celebrate onboard, with packages that include photography, flowers, and reception arrangements. The intimate size of the ship makes these events feel special rather than assembly line operations. Guest experience highlights consistently center around the personal connections formed with crew members who take genuine interest in making each cruise memorable. Stories from past guests frequently mention staff members who went above and beyond standard service expectations. One recurring theme in guest feedback involves the ship's ability to make solo travelers feel comfortable and included rather than like outsiders. The size and atmosphere encourage social interaction without being pushy about it. Many guests return to Westerdam specifically because they've developed relationships with crew members who remember their preferences and make them feel like welcomed friends rather than just passengers. This level of personal service has become increasingly rare in the cruise industry. The ship's approach to special occasions, whether birthdays, anniversaries, or honeymoons, involves thoughtful touches that feel genuine rather than scripted. Room decorations, special dining arrangements, and personalized attention create lasting memories. After examining every aspect of the MS Westerdam experience, this ship represents what happens when a cruise line focuses on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well rather than chasing flashy trends that might not enhance the actual guest experience.